Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoeshaaa. Hey, wagwan. Oh my god, okay. So, currently I'm uploading my Jamaica vlogs, and I notice every time I go to Jamaica and I come back, I obviously gain more subscribers that are obviously Jamaican because I do Jamaica vlogs, right? So with that, earlier this year, I was at about 100 and something subscribers, and one of my goals in my about a year ago tag was to gain 300 subscribers by the ending of this year. Okay? Today's date is November the 12th, and on, I believe it was either Wednesday of this week or Thursday of this week, I, Zoe, aka Zoeshaaa, gained 1,000 subscribers. I hit 1,000 subscribers! No sir! Yo, you guys, like I legit was in tears. And like this is all because of you guys. Because, I mean, it's because of me too, but it's because of you guys. You guys click that red button and subscribe to me and like my videos and comment on them. And like some of you guys, like we've grown a bond and we always talk and we talk about everything, and I love that. That is exactly why I wanted to do YouTube. So the fact that I'm doing what I love to do and like I'm growing more than I've expected, like it, I don't even know what to say, but thank you guys. Thank you so much. And for those of you who have just joined in on this journey, welcome. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. To anyone who this may be your first video or your first few videos, subscribe. Okay, there's nothing to think about anymore. Subscribe. All right, I don't understand why you're not subscribed yet, but subscribe. All right. But yeah, I just want to take those of you who have not been here for a long time to kind of show you where I'm coming from, and for those of you who have been here, just to kind of show you guys some of my favoriteest moments here on YouTube. So take a look at what I got.
Let me be your lover. Maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying.
They get like their hair and everything.
Hi guys! Tiffany, say hi.
Hello.
No, oh my god.
But that's not good. Yo, I love being Jamaican, yo. I would never want to be
Jamaican!
Not Jamaican, Jamaican.
Yes, not a Jamaican. We
Because
are
them
real
a lot-
Jamaicans.
a lot
You
of
understand? I was like, do you guys think I should start a YouTube channel? They're like, yes!
Yes. You need to do.
I was like, okay.
That's what you need to do.
Okay. So we're doing it.
That's your thing.
We're doing it right now.
I mean, why would you waste all the camera
We're doing it right now.
and just do it for no
We're doing it right now.
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 Oh yeah, we're doing it right. We're doing it right. We're doing it right now.
Yo, how come people don't make songs?
It's not a wig, it's my hair.
Maybe if you let me be your lover. Maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
Dead end. Turn off. We're here. Thank you, Jesus. Oh God, where's Mario? Ah! Woo! Yes, Lord, hallelujah. Bathroom right now, and it's like so fucking creepy. Stop fucking laughing. There's somebody in here. I don't know who it is. It could be a fucking killer. I don't know, but I'm so fucking scared right now. Stop fucking laughing. Like she's fucking laughing like it's a fucking joke. The person could want to fucking kill her. Kelly, let's fucking go. Oh my God. I'm recording this because this could be my last video. I don't know what's gonna happen. Save the shit in case I have to fucking run. I'm not stupid, you guys. I'm just being fucking precautious. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna fucking. Stop fucking laughing. We're gonna go outside right now. Oh my God. Hi guys, good morning. You know, so yeah, I'm just here doing my daily routine. For the people that weren't born with high color, like myself, you have to buy it, right? So this is what they call cake soap. You understand? You see it? Yeah, so you use that and you rub everywhere. You just rub. You can't go in a direct sunlight, you know, you have to wear like hat and carry umbrella and all these things, or else you not go work. Yeah, and you need socks, the tall socks, or else you not go work. Everything have to cover up, you understand? So you just do that. Sure, you just do this. Me never wet it, so me just show you how you feel do it. And make sure so you cover everywhere. Or else you go spotty and look like, yeah, a Vibes Cartel started. Addy, I'm with Daddy, thank you, Addy. Daddy, you don't want to rub?
Move your look at.
So yeah, this me do every morning. They want to know how me look so light and how my father black and my mother black and how me so brown. This is how me get so brown, you understand? So if you guys want some, I can get it for you, eh? Can get it by the bulk and send it Kongi, you know. So if you want it, let me know and we will bring it Kongi, you know. But this is what you do. This is how you tone. You tone. I not bleach, I tone my tone. So you have to get the cake soap, the real cake soap, and only in Jamaica you can get, you know. You have to get the cake soap. The Linda cake soap, they have a foreign. That now go give you the eye color. That is yellow. You have to get the blue cake soap.
With my civvies for the last night.
Mommy. Oh.
I was just like, I'm looking for my husband for the first time. Oh, good job! Oh yeah, Tiffany, Uncle John, yeah, this girl. Yeah. I'm joking. This is my baby, you know.
But I wanted to say that I've reached 100 subscribers.
I am so excited that I reached 100 subscribers. My goal was to reach 100 subscribers before the ending of December, and I hit 100 subscribers. It was either the last week of November or the first week of December.
Like, yo, when I was taking in, like, after I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm like, let me go back to like my first video. Like, how funny is that? Like, me and Tiffany grocery shopping to make blonde brownies and all this type of shit. But like, all the stuff that I've been through during this short amount of time on YouTube, it's like, damn. And the fact that I've documented everything, like, it just makes it even, I don't even know how to explain it. But anyways, again, I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys don't even understand. And I'm just excited. I'm excited to see what else I'm gonna come up with to share with you guys. I'm excited to see the journey that is gonna happen here with me here on YouTube because of what has happened so far. And I'm excited to see my growth because of how far I've come so far in such a short amount of time. I'm really excited to see how far I'm gonna go with this whole entire thing. And I'm excited to be on this journey. Well, on the way, one more full of us. So embarrassing. But anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me. Now, in honor of me hitting 1,000 subscribers, of course, I'm going to be having a giveaway. And I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways, okay? So I'm gonna be doing one. I actually got this idea from Natural Nisi. She's a Toronto natural hair like vlogger. If you don't already subscribe to her, you should. Big up all my Toronto people. I love Natural Nisi. But she was doing a giveaway recently, and she was doing 2. One for people who constantly comment and that she constantly interacts with, and the other gift or prize, whatever, would be going to another random person. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, because I have such a such a soft spot for like a few special selected few of you guys who have just always commented, always reached out to me, you know, always gave me like condolences, support, whatever it was that I needed. You guys were always constantly there for me. So for those of you guys, I'm going to do a separate draw for, but you are more than welcome to enter the other draw, which I'm not exactly 100% sure what I'm going to give away. I do know I want to include some Jamaica products, so the contest won't necessarily end anytime soon. All right, so for the first prize that I'm going to be doing for the selected few of you guys who I have a real soft spot, a real soft spot for, you don't have to do anything. You already do what you're doing. You comment. I know who I interact with the most on my YouTube channel, okay? So you don't have to do anything for that. I'm going to pick who wins that. I'm gonna do probably a live draw for both of them. And the second prize, which you guys are more than welcome to, you know, be a part of, because y'all probably don't know who you are. Well, you should know who you are, but anyways, you are more than welcome to enter for the next prize. All that you have to do pretty much for the next prize, I'm just gonna make it really, really simple. One, you just have to comment below on this video as to what is your most favoriteest video or vlog of mine and why. Could be a recent vlog, could be an old vlog, whatever vlog it is, whatever video it is, just comment below, let me know why you like that vlog or video, whatever, and why that one's your favorite. Or yeah, comment below, tell me tell me the name of the video, why it's your favorite. And be subscribed to obviously my YouTube channel. You must be following me on my Facebook page. Everybody have a Facebook, because I was gonna say Snapchat or Instagram, but not everybody has those two. So that's pretty much all that you have to do. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my YouTube, what the hell, Zoe? Follow my Facebook page, comment below, let me know what your favorite video or vlog is and why, and that's your entry. And I will come back later on, maybe through a vlog or something, or a next video and let you guys know when the contest will surely be ending. So yeah, contest is now open to everybody, and I want to thank you guys again so much for rocking with me for so long. And again, I'm so excited to see what the future has in store. Until next time, you guys, I love you guys so much. 1,000 subscribers, you guys. 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Until next time.